It has been said that all good things must come to an end until there's a new project to pursue. Stay tuned. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, and we inspire. And we are today at the end of Project Eli for a number of reasons. First of all, anything you want to know about personal development is on this channel. Okay, I've got close to 1,000 videos on there, everything from procrastination, how to think, to sales, to the success formula, to you name it. It's on this channel. Okay, all you have to do is look. So Eli, you have a whole book all ready for you. Secondly, I have a new project that I'm excited about, that I'm ready to move on to. You can't keep saying the same thing over and over again. We've done that. Like I said, there's 1,000 or so videos out there for you to use. And I've gotten a number of suggestions from my subscribers, from my listeners, from the people that contact me. And as to the why and because, and I want to share them with you, I hope you enjoy them in my parting shot. All right, and this is what they said about me. They said, I'm a few peas short of a casserole, a few keys short of a piano. The gates are down and the lights are flashing, but the train isn't coming. I'm as smart as a stick. Fell out of a stupid tree and hit every branch on the way down. An intellect rivaled only by garden tools. Has an IQ of room temperature. Couldn't pour water out of a boot with instructions on the heel. They are depriving some village of its idiot. A few threads short of a sweater. The driveway doesn't quite reach the end. The battery is not fully charged. Dumber than a bag of hammers. A few bricks short of a full load. All foam, no beer. As smart as bait. Forgot to pay his brain bill. The antenna doesn't pick up all the channels. I'm missing a few buttons on his remote control. Proof that evolution can go in reverse. Receiver is off the hook. Has a leak in the skylight. Too much yardage between the goalposts. Not all the soldiers are marching in line. Dumber than paint. Donated his brain to science before he was done with it. A few shades beyond blonde. Running on 3 cylinders. Has the parachute, but is missing the ripcord. Would lose a debate with the doorknob. Has an IQ lower than plant life. All volume and no content. Wouldn't know if they were on foot or on horseback. The wheel is spinning, but the hamster is dead. The cheese slid off the cracker. Doesn't have all the chairs for the table. A shining example of why you should avoid inbreeding. A few pecans short of a fruitcake. Would argue with the signpost. If you gave him a penny for his thoughts, you'd get change. That's one of my favorites. Has a mind like a steel trap, rusty and illegal in 37 states. He's knitting with only one needle. The result of too much chlorine in the gene pool. Not exactly burning all thrusters. He's a full color short of a rainbow. A few ships short of a fleet. A monosyllabtic cretin. And if you don't understand that, enough said. A few noodles short of chow mein. A few bristles short of a broom. Doesn't know whether to scratch his watch or wind his butt. Hasn't seen the ball since kickoff. The relative IQ of a deck chair. The poster child for birth control. A few players short of a team. Couldn't hit the floor if he fell on it. My coach used to say that about my shooting too. One plate short of a tea set, A few slices short of a sandwich. A few sausages, here's one for Texas, a few sausages short of a barbecue. If his IQ was any flipping lower, we'd have to water him. And the last one, suggestion of why I should be leaving this channel, a few more branches, and he would, a few more brain cells, see, a few more brain cells, and he would be a cabbage. Okay, and then there were the suggestions of what I ought to do. I thought I'd share some of those with you as well. Make like a shepherd and get the flock out of here. Make like a bird and flock off. Make like horse poop and hit the trail. Make like a missile and cruise. Make like a baby and head out. Make like a hockey player and get the puck out of here. Make like a bee and buzz off. Make like diarrhea and run. Make like a tire and hit the road. Make like a busboy and get the fork out of here. Make like a strawberry and jam. Make like a loaf of French bread and bag it. Make like a bakery truck and haul buns. Make like a prom dress and take off. Be off like pants in the dark. Make like the devil and get the hell out of here. Make like the Red Sea and part. Make like the wind and blow. Make like a tomato and ketchup. Make like a nut and bolt. Make like a rectum and get your poop out of here. Make like Santa Claus and leave your presents. Make like Tom and cruise. Make like a jacket and zip. Make like a magnet and flux off. Make like Levi's and fade away. Make like a bowel and move. Make like a botanist and leaf. Make like a dog and flee. Make like a register and shift. Make like Houdini and disappear. Make like a mongrel and get lost. Make like a football and kick off. Make like a baseball player and home run. Make like a hat and go on ahead. Make like an atom and split. Make like a Catholic and pull out. Make like the Exorcist and get the hell out of here. Make like rain and get the hail out of here. Act like yesterday's lunch, go down and out the back. And before I say my goodbye, I'd like to thank Michael and Amber, my associates in this project, and perhaps we'll work again in the future together. And now, there are so many ways to say goodbye, I'd like to do so. Okay, bye Fry Guy. If I don't see you around, I'll see you square. Stay classy. Fare thee well. Catch you on the rebound. Gotta go, Buffalo. Peace out. Gotta hit the road. Long live and prosper. Well, I'm off. Smoke me a kipper. I'll be back for breakfast. Bye-bye, butterfly. Gotta get going. To the winch, wench. It has been emotional. Bye. To the bat poles. Out to the door, dinosaur. Catch you on the flip side. Gotta bolt. See you soon, raccoon. You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go. Don't get run over. Deuces. And two things to leave you with. First one is, don't ever ration the passion, fashion the passion, and because we never end a YouTube channel on a philosophical note, please get out there and charge! I'm Eli's dad.